After canceled and delayed flights, we made it to Costa Rica last night, but only in time to get to bed about 1:30 in the morning. So we delayed our planned 7 a.m. departure to go see some waterfalls and asked the driver to come pick us up at 9 o'clock. So let's go see what's out there. First stop, first waterfall.
This is the La Paz waterfall, but not the La Paz waterfall garden. But they say that you don't even need to go in.
He said back he's taking us that way though. Oh, pretty waterfall. Okay, now we don't know where we're going next.
Cinchona should be the first because Cinchona closed at 2 o'clock.
So there was a bit of confusion on where we wanted to go. But now we are back on our way to Cinchona.
But this is the La Paz waterfall on the side of the road. It's pretty. It's a busy spot though.
Okay, we are about to start the wild Cinchona hike and waterfall trails. So at this hike,
in Costa Rica.
at this hike, you have to sign a waiver ahead of time, and the guy at the front gave us very good details of where we're going. So hopefully we don't get lost.
Have a good time, guys.
There you go.
Cheers.
Yes, Misael,
Okay.
our driver. So let's not get lost and let's go see some waterfalls.
We will spend more than that.
So driving here from San Jose, the roads were very narrow and curvy, and we went up to about 6,000 feet according to my watch, if it was accurate. Now we're back down to about 4,000 feet starting this hike.
I'm excited. I want to do this one.
We first pulled into the La Paz Waterfall Gardens parking lot, and it was very busy, very full parking lot, a lot of people. I think it's going to be a lot different experience than this hike is.
But I'm glad to see some cars, so we are not alone.
Yes.
There's another waterfall park 1 hour from here. But I was just thinking that one probably we cannot make it. And this one is the one suggested by the Google AI, because they say that we want close and then not many people.
Okay, they're right. It's a slippery trail. I already fell once. But this is the first viewpoint.
Pretty. Draw a picture? I don't want to come back up.
This looks like a double black diamond trail. I think
don't
I
want
will.
to come back up.
I think I will take the escalator back up. Look how steep it is. Steep and muddy. I might be able to film me falling again. I'm already muddy from the last time. Not too bad.
The back one on your left. Got it. We're not done yet.
This is really steep. It's a good quad workout coming down. Going back up is going to be tough. But we came to our water crossing. Right? I guess I can't use two hands anyways, but I will put it down just in case. Uh-oh. It's a scramble. This is definitely not an easy hike, but sitting. Tiring part yet.
How do you feel it? My leg shaking or the earth shaking?
Okay, I think we are at 45 minutes, so we must be getting close to the end of this part of the trail.
Wow! Wow!
Splash zone.
How do you get up there?
Okay, this is as impressive as anything in Iceland. Look, there's a little rock bridge right up at the top of the waterfall. Cool. So to get all the way to the bottom of the waterfall, you have to walk in the water ankle deep or a little deeper than ankle deep, and then walk across there. And since this is our first stop of the day, I guess we decided not to have wet feet for the rest of the day.
Now we still need to go to
But I brought my water shoes, so we can go if we want to.
I go. But this is enough.
Okay. Now it's a long hike back.
Impressive. See people jumping into the water. I told you.
Okay, we started making our way back up, and then we took the right turn to go to the next cascade. Another 100-meter offshoot from the trail, and we are at Cascada Botos. Okay, you can. This trail's no joke.
No, look at my face.
Look at your back. My legs are definitely going to be feeling it tomorrow, I know that.
I'm shaking already, going down.
Next stop at Cinchona Waterfall Park is Paula Waterfall Cascada. Okay, just when we thought we were finished with the steep parts, we are taking another turn to
Cinchona Falls, and another steep trail down. I think about 100 meters, but then we get to come back up again.
These are climbing?
Hello down there. This is very steep.
I don't know how to get back up.
I'm pointing straight down at you.
Probably should turn it off, you will fall.
Okay, this trail goes all the way to the bottom of the falls. Are we gonna go, or do we need to get back
I
to
think
the...
this is it.
That's pretty.
That's pretty. Can I go back? Is it real?
A bit of wildlife.
Oh, he moved. Don't scare him.
His yellow eyes.
This is biggest
Yeah, huge.
because I haven't seen.